updating your legal name on buffered VPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the buffered VPN website and log into your account using your existing credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in your account dashboard. This area typically contains personal information and preferences. Step 3. Find name update option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Some services may require you to confirm your identity before making changes. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification indicating that your name has been successfully updated. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on buffered VPN will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.